How to get $100 Target promo code. In this video, I will show you how can you easily get $100 Target promo code to use for a discount. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to your Google application and in the search bar, type for Target promo code. Once you do so, hit the search icon and then you will see numerous websites providing you different offer that you can use in Target application. Click on any one of the website. Once you open the website, you will then see list of offers that you can use in Target application. Click on the one which you think is suitable for you to use. After that, you will see this page where you need to click on Shop Now option. Once you do so, Target application will open in your device and now you can shop using that offer. So that's it. That is how easily you can get $100 promo code on Target. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.